Do you feel the vibes?
What's up everyone? Today we're going to be focusing on the top 3 best non-SLA 3D printers. In third we have Mooz.
3D printing is supposed to turn our wildest imagination into reality. However, most commercial 3D printers are hard to control, bulky, and lack accuracy, turning your fabulous ideas into the trash. But if you want an industrial-grade printer, it costs you a fortune until now. Meet Mooz, the only transformable, modular 3D printer with high industrial-grade stability at an affordable price, giving you a more precise 3D printing experience than ever. The Mooz 3 form is designed for efficient and color-mixing printing. The Mooz 2 form, meanwhile, is the solution for stability and unparalleled precision. And the Mooz 1 form allows you to create simple prints in an effortless way. Mooz features a design featuring the aluminum alloy CNC machine body that not only looks sharp, but also delivers more reliability and stability. The demanding industrial-grade linear guideway, empowered by extremely accurate stepper motor, together with the high-precision linear bearing, making every movement of printer to be more precise. Mooz is the first consumer-grade 3D printer consisting industrial-grade parts. It offers a more accurate and stable printing experience that you have been longing for. Simply connect your U-disc or SD card to the Mooz. Tap the control panel and printing begins. Mooz is super easy to use. Mooz can also handle CNC carving easily, with adjustable depth of between 0 and 5 millimeters. It can deliver more detailed curve. Choose a laser engraving head. Mooz is just as good as a typical ink printer, allowing you to engrave fine print on anything. Mooz is the best printer for makers and creators. Its high precision unleashes the restriction of other printers, giving you more choice and possibilities. Great things await you and your imagination.
In second, Snapmaker.
"3D printing is amazing. We use it to get innovative, bring our designs into real-life objects. However, most 3D printers may not live up to your expectations, cost you a lot of time and money. Until now. Introducing the Snapmaker 3D printer. It makes all the things you do with your printer more reliable, enjoyable, and affordable. A full metal body and industrial outlook highlight its premium design. Along with the metal body, all major components are CNC machined from aluminum alloys to boost the precision and capacity. Then they go through the anodize process to obtain a protective oxide layer. The all-metal designed Snapmaker focuses on every detail to consistently deliver the very best result. Snapmaker also features an innovative modular design, giving you an easy setup of 10 parts in only 10 minutes, which is the best ever on a 3D printer. It comes with easy-to-use software. Simply drag and drop a model into it and click Start. You do the design and let the Snapmaker do the rest. It's hassle-free from start to finish. High-performance Snapmaker lets you tinker and explore in unique and exciting ways, giving you the most enjoyable experience all the time. Now, there's no need to focus on a fixed screen. You can check and control all settings using its movable and intuitive touchscreen in your hand. Snapmaker also features expanded options of laser engraving and CNC carving. With interchangeable heads, Snapmaker can be easily transformed into a laser engraver that sparks your creativity. and CNC carving machine that lets your imaginations run wild. Snapmaker is versatile, inspiring you to create in more ways. We're very excited about what we've built so far and want to invite you to enjoy the creative life with us. Therefore, the Snapmaker 3D printer is at an amazing price of only $299. Now, we need your support to bring Snapmaker to life. Back us on Kickstarter today.
And in first, Obsidian.
It's time to take a new look at 3D printing. It's time to take a look at Obsidian. Obsidian is the first 3D printer of its kind. Its blend of style and performance, never seen before in the industry. Obsidian offers the reliability and print quality of machines 10 times its price. And all of this with a breathtaking design. Choose from a palette of colors and materials as unlimited as your ideas. Bring 3D printing into your creative process for the first time. Obsidian is a tool that brings your ideas into reality. Obsidian makes printing high-quality 3D models effortless. Our optimized user interface guides you. Just tap and print. Choose any major software to design your models, whether on your computer or in virtual reality. But you don't need to be a designer to get started. Thousands of creatives from around the world are sharing their models online for free. 3D printing is a movement. Join it. Obsidian's app lets you control your printer from anywhere. Keep an eye on your prints and adjust them even on the go. Obsidian's camera is made not only for live streaming, but also for time-lapse recording, so you can share your favorite prints on social media. Show friends your creations in motion. We think there is only one step between imagination and reality. Between holding an idea in your mind and seeing it materialize before your eyes. And we call this step Obsidian.
If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and subscribe for more content.